Hi guys, today we'll try to automate multiple windows in a website. While testing website with multiple real world user scenarios, we need to handle multiple windows. Window handle function retrieves handles of all windows, while get window handle method helps to get the window handle of current window. Get window handles method helps to get handle of all windows open currently. Set method helps to set window handles in string to get the handle of all windows that are currently open. Return set of handles and it will iterate through all windows open using iterate method. Switch method will be used to switch between the windows, and we can perform any actions using the action method on window. Today we'll try to explore on big basket. While clicking on this any of the product card, need to navigate to product home page here. So this is the parent window and this is child window. We need to switch to child window using the iterator method. So and get window handles. Using get window handles, we need to get the handle of all the windows open currently, and will iterate through the windows and navigate to child window and perform the action switching to this child window, and then again switch back to the parent window. So it is the code for the same. We will navigate to bigbasket.com and maximize the screen. Using actions class, we'll move to the web element of product card and click on this product card here. Then using get window handle, we'll try to return the parent window name as a string. Using get window handles, we will try to get all the windows that are currently open and will set as a string here. Then iterate through all the windows that are currently opened, and if that windows has any other windows open currently, then we'll go inside this loop and store it as a string as child window. Then if the parent window is not equal to child window, then switch to the child window using driver.switch to.window child window. Here you can pass parent window if you want to navigate to parent window. If you want to navigate to child window, then you can name it as child window. It depends on our requirement. Then print the title of that window, and using explicit wait till the element of add to basket is showing in the website. Then when that element is located, click on that element on the website. Then again using driver.switch to window parent window, switch to the parent window. So we'll try to execute now. Yes, website got open, screen got maximized and clicked on product card. It was very quick, and also clicked on add to basket button. Now switch back to the parent window. So using get window handles, we can handle the multiple windows and even tabs. Guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if it is helpful.